Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, Fatima Subaita. Today I'll be making slime because my mom bought me this slime making kit, and I'm going to show you all the ingredients like this. So now let's go open the box. This is my first time making slime with this slime kit. So let's go ahead and make this slime. There's instructions. We're gonna follow the instructions to make the slime. We're gonna put the box aside, and then here, this is foam beads. It's a tiny baby spoon for little babies. There's a measuring cup. There's containers and the containers cap. There's two of them. Two mixing bowls. This is hard to get out. Okay. This is clear slime glue. Paint. I think it's paint. I don't know. Slime activator. I'm gonna put it here so you guys can see. And then 3 mixing sticks. We're gonna put this aside as well. Under the directions, it says measure 15 millimeters of clear glue using the supplied measuring cup and pour it into the bowl. Scrape down the walls of the cup to get as much of glue out as possible. Okay. Measuring cup, slime glue. I've got to open the cap because I didn't open it yet. I'm going to put this aside as well. Okay. Now we're gonna put it into the mixing bowl. I'm gonna put one aside. And I'm gonna keep it like this so it doesn't get any of my clothes. I never really made the slime kit. I tried getting as much out of it, but I couldn't get all of it out. Now, I need 25 millimeters of water, room temperature. I have water right here. Pour it in. Okay. It says, make it fun. Choose your additive. Go crunchy. To make crunchy slime, add 1.5 bag of foam beads to the bowl of glue and water. Go bright. To make the bright slime, measure 1 spoonful of colorant and add it to the bowl with glue and water. Grow bright crunchy. To make bright crunchy slime, measure 1 spoonful of colorant and add it to the same bowl as glue and water. Then add the foam beads to the same bowl. Okay. I'm gonna use purple colorant. gonna use my little tiny spoon. I'm just gonna put this in here for now. Doesn't close down properly. Now stir. I have to stir. Hey, I forgot to add the foam beads. I'm only gonna add a little bit here and more. If I want more, I'm gonna add it at the end. My little baby brother's talking. How do I get the foam beads off? Okay, there you go. There's a little leftover coloring in here. I'm gonna try taking it. I'm done blending, mixing it. I have to measure 5 millimeters of slime activator. Now I'm gonna mix it in. It's already turning into slime. Cool. It's sticky. It says to move the stick slowly. It's pretty. You want to make slime too? Yeah. You can see it's really stretchy. Oh. I'm going to take it off of the stick and start kneading it with my hand. Oh, so cool. Oops. Ah. It's so sticky. You want to touch it? I'm afraid you can't. Is there anything else to do? I'm going to take the slime out of the bowl and onto the table. Look, it's sticky. It's so fun. Look how high that went. I'm so excited because I made slime for the first time. I am really excited when my parents buy me a pre-made slime, but it's not as cool making slime. It's so sticky. I'm gonna add a little bit more foam beads. Never mind. I like it, that's how it is. Wow. It's not that sticky. But if you play with it too much, it sticks to your hand like this. Get off the... Okay. I'm a slime. I have a slime monster hand. You want to play with it too? Well, I'm afraid you can't. You're too small to play with it. This is for today. Bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed the video. Oops. Bye-bye. I'll see you on the next video. I hope you enjoyed.